Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Steven Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Ortlieb bike bag. Right, this is a waterproof bag, will be mounted on the rear rack of my bike. The purpose of having this bag is for my coming camping trip. Right, this will be able to mount on majority of the bike rack behind. I'll do a demo how to install it step by step. Let's begin. Okay. Okay, this bag will come with a quick release lever, the bracket, quick release bracket for the bike rack. Okay, it's a roll top. Right, this is how it looks like inside. It comes with a pouch. Every Ortlieb bag will come with a zip pouch for you to put your belongings like cards and wallets. Okay, there are some items inside. Firstly, is the Allen key. Alright. Then they have this gauge, paper gauge. Is how it works. Okay, later part we will use this. To measure the distance of the rack. Okay, this is how it works. And it comes with a 5 years warranty card. Okay, it's called the trunk bag RC Urban, and the color is a purple color. And instruction manual. Right. Okay, this is the consumer protection and law for the 5 years warranty. That's all. And lastly, there's a strap, a carry strap for you to carry on when it is not mounted on the bike. Right, it will be clip onto this side. And on the other end. Okay, so when you're on the move, you can carry this on your shoulder. It's a shoulder strap. Okay, now I need to unfold the bike. Okay, first raise up the chair, the seat. The pedal down. Okay, the handle off. Oh, I forgotten to remove the tools. I might need the tools later. Okay, let me this. Okay, lastly, okay, I don't have a bike stand, so I use this. There's a bike stand. Okay, so we will begin with taking the measurements of the rack. Okay, I'll show you from here. First thing first, let's look at here. First thing first, you have to loosen this 4 point. Okay, there's a Allen key provided. Okay, so you have to loosen this. Okay, so now it's movable. Okay, so you can adjust. Alright, always remember the reflector. This is the rear reflector. So this reflector will be on the back at the rear of the bike. Okay, when you mount it on, okay, I have not extended to the maximum yet. Okay. Right. You should push the back to the end. And push in the side lever. Okay. Okay, first we'll measure the width. I think I have reached the maximum distance of 155. Okay, and the front, because this is a paper gauge, measuring gauge, so it's difficult here. All right, so the front will be 125. So 125, and behind the rail will be 155. Okay, can you see it? All right. So now we will take the measurement based on the scale here to adjust accordingly to the distance. Okay, I'll need to tighten it now. Okay, these teeth are movable. The purpose of these teeth are actually to secure the rack support so that we will not slide up and down, front and forward. All right, so it works as a bracket to hold on to the bracket of the rack, so we will not be able to slide. Okay, now I have already done my final adjustment, so this is how it will be mounted on. Press down both sides, you will sit up nicely and you will not move. Okay, you will not fall off. Okay, I'll show you from this angle. Okay, this is the real view. This is how it look like. Okay, When it's more on, you can see the caliper of this part will lock in as I release the lever. See? So it's secure. You're unable to pull out, unable to lift up the bag, and you will not be able to move front and back as well. Okay. Okay, from here, press down the both lever from the both side and lift up the bag. Alright. Okay, you can see there are two levers. Okay, so when put it back, all you need to do is to bring down. Okay, and release the lever. So you will not be able to lift up and be unable to move front and back as well. Okay. Okay, how it goes. Simple. Alright, this is the end of the video. I hope you like my presentation of the mounting and installation of this oblique bag. If you like my channel, do remember to subscribe and like and share as well. Thank you. Bye.